Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the support team for the Coin98 Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your passkey or your seed phrase, or you may also use your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the wallet page. Now, if you wish to contact the support, just tap on the browser icon at the bottom right corner, which will now open up the D-Apps page. From here, tap on Services, and you will now be able to find the live support option. Go ahead and tap on it, and from here, you will be able to connect with the live chat support team for Coin98. Just fill up your name, followed by your email address, and then you can describe the issue that you are facing within the given box. You may also enter your wallet address or your transaction ID if you wish, and if it is relevant to your case. However, this is not mandatory. You can then tap on the Start the Chat option, and this will now connect you to a support agent, and you will be able to further resolve your issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team for Coin98 Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.